Hello my dears, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the second belly dance tutorial. Today we will be talking about one topic so important, the warming up. So why warming up is so important? We need to do it, even if we want to become a professional dancer or we just want to do it as a hobby. Why we need to warm up? When we warm up, we prepare our body for the exercise. Even if you just want to dance 1 minute, and if you want to dance 1 hour, the same. You need to warm up. If we don't warm up, we can injure and we can hurt ourselves. So we need to prepare our body to make and start the exercise. Also, warming up is not only about the body, it's about the mind. You start to prepare yourself, you start to prepare your mind for the improvisation, for the choreography, and for the public. So let's get started. So we'll start from the bottom to the top. We will start doing some circles with the feet. Let's go. Change. We change the feet. We will go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We place the feet together and we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will warm up the knees, so we place them together like this, but I will do it so you can see better. We bend them and we make small circles. To the right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We open more, we open wider the feet, and we'll make a small circle with the hips. If you can see my knees, I bend them. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will make again contraction to the front. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We open the arms to the second position and we will go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We open and we go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember always to breathe in and breathe out with your nose, not with your mouth. Okay, we make big circle with the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the other side. Big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I open. Again. And we start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We change to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we will go down and then up, but I want you to see how I will do that. I will start with my head slowly, and here I release. Then I go up, I bend. Okay, again. We go up, slow. Again. Again. One more time. Okay, after this we will try to open. We make. Okay, we will open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we go down. We go up. We breathe in, breathe out. And we are ready to dance. Okay, so today I show you one routine for warming up, but we can do different routines. You can start from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top, whatever you want. But the important thing here is to join all the parts of the body. Don't miss anything. Okay, so thank you for being here. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer as soon as possible. See you in the next video and keep practicing.